get to cleaning, this is gonna be the decorate with me vlog where I'm gonna be doing the Christmas tree decoration. First I'm gonna start outside, so I'm gonna hang my wreath and put my trees on the front porch. Actually came from Lisa. She made this, so y'all need to check out At Home with Lisa because she the one made this. I did add some lights on it which you can't see, but you'll see them at night. It's just the start of it. I'm actually gonna can't see the lights on it, but they are currently on. I'm gonna put some little fairy lights on, but I'm gonna get some blue ribbon to go on this tree, the little trees, so that way they can kind of tie in with the ribbon. And I might even put some block on it to make it look more snowy looking. And then I'm also gonna get me a Let It Snow or a blue Christmas rug to go right here, just so it can stay be a Christmas wintertime rug. Because the Hello is cute, but I'm gonna have to take it away till time for New Year's or springtime. But yes, this is how it's looking right now. Got a little more to go, and then I also got lights I gotta put out here in the yard. But this is for right now, and then I gotta get inside so I can start cleaning and get some decorating going on inside. The tree that's in my office, I'm actually gonna wind up decorating it probably either tomorrow. I'm gonna do a tree at a time. I've already done a game room tree. I've already recorded that. The kids did that tree. I did my son's room tree. I didn't record that, but I just showed the finished product of it. But yeah, I'm gonna decorate the tree in my office. It's gonna be to decorate my next to the oldest son's tree. These are some of the ornaments I'm actually going to be putting on the tree. This one is actually going in the game room. I got this from HEB. It's a little cassette tape. I got him some candy canes, Christmas gift, and tree ornament. Got those from HEB. And then I got him some little small balls to put on the tree. And he wanted a topper for his tree. You would think he would be here actually decorating, but he's not. So, got some garland because he wants garland too. And he wants colorful lights. So, their concept is colorful color Christmas colors. They didn't want elegant white lights. With that's like the easiest lights to find right now is the white lights. You would think that the color lights would be easy to find, but the smaller count, it's so hard to find these. But I found these, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. And here you go, Bryson. And I actually did take my hair down and got a silk press done to it yesterday, so it's trying to frizz up a little bit, but it's hanging in there, which I'm happy about. Also, it's cool out here in Texas. It's pretty cool. I'm actually loving this. It feels like Christmas weather.
I get this hair for at least 2-3 weeks and they'll get used to it by now.
Yeah, because I usually keep my hair plaited up in a wig on, but I take it down like this. But let me go ahead and get this tree decorated.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
I am playing.
No, he will
You
not
should call the door, Bryson.
Why is she doing this?
Some say it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter.
Okay, now let me get this picture. I don't think I'm gonna leave that like that. I don't think I like it.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter,
Go, please.
Are we recording?
my heart.
What's she eating?
There's too many folks in the film. Really? Christmas lights on the car.